Hey guys, so we're here again for the fireworks. This year though we had to park in this parking lot of the school and they got a hayride for us, so let's see how this goes. Very warm today though.
Nora?